You know, Kelly, I once found true love, and maybe people thought it wasn't the best match, but I was lost in the woods, and you were there to save me. Rode upon a horse that you couldn't get off, because your horse legs started where your human body stopped. 8 feet tall, you blocked out the sun. You put me on your back and you carried me home. You laid me down so I would never feel lonely. You were gentler to me than my little pony. You're not just a man, you're not just a horse, you're the centaur of my universe. And sometimes I'll ride you, and sometimes I'll kiss you, and you'll never know how much I miss you. I wanna scream it out to the tops of the trees. I wanna see you get down on one silly horse knee. Somebody call an open-minded preacher, 'cause I'm in love with the You're not just a man, you're not just a horse, you're the centaur of my universe. We shot bows and arrows, we got our own bombs stout, and I finally know what Equus was about. No, 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 You're not just a man, you're not just a horse, you're the centaur of my universe. Never forget those warm summer days when we laid in the barn and you munched on my hay. My eyes are raining again.